What is the meaning by multiplication of vector by scalar? Let's see what does it means. So, multiplication of a vector by scalar. I have a vector, say vector A. If I multiply it by a scalar, say small k, now I get Ka as a result. But what does it mean exactly? It means that the magnitude of the resultant that I have obtained is equal to k times the magnitude of A. And what is the direction? The direction is same, the direction does not change. That means if I have a vector which has 3 units as its magnitude and that vector is basically pointing towards east. Now if I multiply that vector by 9, so 9 is multiplied by this 3 units. So it becomes 27 units magnitude. And what about its direction? Its direction does not change. It will remain towards east only. So that is the concept. The other thing, if I tell you that there is a vector A and I see that I multiply it by minus 2 units. So minus 2A. Now what is this minus 2? This direction will be associated with negative because the magnitude can never be negative. So whatever was its magnitude, that became double and its direction got reversed. That is the meaning of minus 2A. So now you understand what is the multiplication of a vector by a scalar.